Assalamu alaikum, dear students. It is 7th of August 2021, Saturday. It is class 11th, subject education. Dear students, as you know, we are discussing the initiatives of elementary education. We discussed non-formal education, its meaning, with definitions, objectives, advantages, and we also discussed the problems of non-formal education and the solution to these problems. Today we are going to discuss the second initiative. It is ECCE, Early Childhood Care and Education. Dear students, today we will discuss this initiative in detail. Dear students, let's try to understand what is this ECCE, Early Childhood Care and Education. Dear students, Early Childhood Care and Education, ECCE, was an idea conceived by the framers of National Policy on Education 1986 as an essential component of Integrated Child Development Services ICDS programs initiated during the span of the fifth five-year plan, presumably as a consequences of the National Policy for Children 1974. This policy for children laid special emphasis on the care and development of young children, particularly the first generation learners. The nature, meaning, and importance of early childhood care and education should be understood in this context. Let's try to understand what is the meaning of this early childhood care and education. Dear students, early childhood care and education is the name given to the activities which foster and promote the all-round balanced development of the child in the age group of 0 to 6 years in all dimensions. That is physical, mental, social, emotional, and moral. The term was coined by the framers of National Policy on Education 1986 with a view to organizing the holistic nature of child development with nutrition, health, and social, mental, physical, moral, and emotional development. Dear students, the policy on Education 1986 categorically stated the early childhood care and education will receive high priority. It added, daycare centers will be provided as a support service for universalization of primary education to enable girls engaged in taking care of siblings to attend school and as a support service for working women belonging to poorer sections. Let's try to understand what are the two crucial components of this early childhood care and education. Dear students, early childhood care and education conditions two crucial components, namely care and education. Care and education. Both these components are essential either by itself is inadequate. Bright birthright of every child. The formative years of every child are significant for his all-round development. They need care and education for their balanced development. Early childhood care and education is the birthright of every child. Dear students, let's try to understand what is the importance of need and importance and significance of this early childhood care and education. Dear students, the programs and activities which are part and parcel of early childhood care and education are significant for the proper development of preschool children. Capturing the spirit of early childhood care and education, the framers of National Policy on Education say a full integration of child care and pre-primary education will be brought about both as a feeder and a strengthening factor for primary education and for human resource development in general. Notwithstanding the views expressed by experts, teachers, administrators, and members of the educated class during the nationwide debate on national policy on education in 1986, it remains an educational truth that for the first time a policy document boldly recognized the importance of the early childhood care and education and laid down the holistic uh, principles on which the program was to be developed. Some of the points put forward by National Policy on Education Review Committee are worth considering. These are: number first is ECCE is an important input human resource development. Early childhood care and education is an important input as the strategy of human resource development. In this regard, it will serve as a feeder and support program for primary education. It will also act as a support service for working women from the disadvantaged sections of the society. ECCE enlarges the scope of Article 45 of the Constitution. The NPERC considered the significance of early childhood care and education against the backdrop of Article 45 of the Constitution of India. The review committee observed the founding fathers of the Constitution clearly intended to ensure that every child, irrespective of social or economic status of his or her parents, received care and education from birth up to the age of 14 years. But all along, this directive has been interpreted narrowly as applicable only to the education of children from the age of 5 or 6 upwards. It is, however, never too late to acknowledge that since care and education must begin at birth, ECCE is part of the provision originally envisaged under the Constitution for the development of all children until they complete the age of 14 years. ECCE is significant for universalization of elementary education. It has been rightly observed by experts that early childhood care and education is linked both directly and indirectly to universalization of elementary education. Directly, it means it helps us to prepare the young child for school. Indirectly, and particularly for infants in the age group of 0 to 3 years, ECCE can enable girls engaged in taking care of younger siblings to attend school. National Policy on Education Review Committee adds that child care services offer an effective strategy for the enrollment and retention of girls in primary schools. Dear students, early childhood care and education is significant for providing equality of opportunity for women. National Policy on Education Review Committee regards ECCE as equally vital in promoting women's opportunities for participation in work, education, and social development. Women are under triple burden. They are supposed to act as workers, homemakers, and mothers. Child care services help in redressing this inequity and in promoting women's development. ECCE, therefore, is a cross-sectoral program addressing the intersecting needs of women, children, and girls. ECCE, ECCE is a sequel to integrate child development services. The significance of early childhood care and education lies in its being a sequel to Integrated Child Development Services (ICDS). ICDS was an ambitious project started during 5th Five-Year Plan. It is meant for underprivileged and educationally backward sections of the society. Dear students, it is all for today. Today we discussed the second initiative of this elementary education, namely ECCE, Early Childhood Care and Education. We discussed its meaning, we discussed its importance also. Tomorrow, inshallah, we will discuss some other topic. Till then, bye. Assalamu alaikum.